All right, well, today's the day. I didn't really want to hype this up that much, kind of kept this low key, but we're going to be unboxing my new VORTECH V3 Supercharger for the FRS. Now, I actually got this for a really good deal. I'm not going to explain or say how much I got it for, but I actually picked this up from Darth FRS. Now, if you guys follow him on Instagram or just, follow anybody that, follows cars on Instagram, especially like the GT86, BRZ, FRS models, you guys know exactly who that guy is. And this is actually the kit that came off of his car. So shout out to him. Awesome. We're going to be opening this up, just doing a little bit of an unboxing video for you guys today. I'm not going to lie, I'm pretty unfamiliar when it comes to superchargers. So if I'm not able to explain exactly what everything is, I do apologize. I'm going to keep it a buck. I'm going to be getting this professionally installed and tuned, because stuff like this where you have to literally, mess with the motor and do things of that nature, I don't want to accidentally mess something up. So it's better just to get it professionally installed once, get everything running and operating smoothly once, so you have no hiccups. I'm also going to be getting it professionally tuned as well, so we're not going to be having any issues there, because the last thing I want to do is, buy a supercharger and fuck the motor up before you can have any fun. So here we go. This is pretty much everything that is me with the kit. We have, looks like a new belt. He said he sent me 2 belts. Oh, there they are. Duralast pulley V belt. Awesome. Keep these. Put this over here. Let me make sure this actually looks good. All right, it looks good. We got the wires, the lines. This is the bypass valve. And this is the race valve. Yep. Here's the 3.4-inch pulley. This is the stock pulley, I believe, and this is the max flow race valve. This is what's gonna give it like a nice little every time I, upshift and downshift. So definitely don't want to go ahead and lose anything here. You got all the nuts and bolts too as well, so. There's a nice little smell to it. I don't know, every time I buy something new for the car, I like to smell it. Set that over there. Here is the supercharger itself, right here. Oh, it's heavy, holy shit. Wow. This thing is heavy as hell. It is lightly used though, but damn, it is heavy as hell. Wow. Everything's been pretty much like already assembled on it, so I'm not really gonna go ahead and mess with this too much, just because everything is already pretty much attached. So you can just be a direct bolt on back on the car. Honestly, I probably could do this myself, to be fair. I really could probably just do this myself, because everything is just literally already just bolted onto it. I'm not gonna really mess with any of this stuff, literally because everything is already so bolted on. I probably could just do this myself, honestly. Looking at it. Oh yeah, I probably could. Yeah, I probably could just do this myself. Only thing that I have to pretty much get now is I'm waiting on my upgraded intercooler. That should be in the next 2 days, and then I have to just wait on the Delicious Tuning tune, the EcuTech cable and license, and then we should be good to go. So probably by the end of this week, early next week, we should be up and running with a supercharged FRS. Give or take a couple days for things to come in and also installation. But realistically, since everything looks to be attached, we should just be able to do a straight bolt on. I do have to get a gauge pod that's going to be integrated into the left-hand side air vent, but So in fact, this is a supercharger, and it's just going to be restricted to just the 3.4 inch pulley, which actually the 2-inch pulley is already on here, so that's gonna have to get swapped. Put the 3.48, what is this again? The 3.48 inch pulley on here. That's definitely gonna have to get swapped because this is actually on a built motor. I have a stock motor, so definitely don't want to be blowing my motor running something a little bit too high power, so we're gonna have to swap that out, but it shouldn't be that big of a deal, and it should not be that hard to do that. So we'll see. This installation probably could get done by me, in all honesty. So we will see. We will see. I'm gonna put this bubble wrap back on here. But yeah, I kind of want to do like an unboxing of this really quickly. I don't want to mess with too much in here because I don't want to potentially lose anything. So I apologize for like the spotty unboxing, but I just want to show you guys that we are going boost. I have the supercharger with me, and everything is going to be pretty much up and running within, I'd say, a week or two, give or take a couple of days. So yeah, little update video. Hope you guys did enjoy, and shout out to Darth FRS, man. You're a goat. Can't wait to be ripping it up with this. And yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.